Want to master Tally Prime? Craving to navigate the accounting world with more confidence and ease? Well, you're in luck. SAAR Technosoft is hosting a riveting workshop designed to enrich your knowledge and skills. The workshop is aptly named Accounting with Tally Prime. Imagine stepping into our corporate office at SKO 15, second floor, TDI City, Kundli, Sonipat, Haryana. It's the 11th and 12th of January, 2024. The time is 10 in the morning. You're about to embark on a 4-hour-long journey of discovery and learning each day for 2 consecutive days. The cost of this enriching experience? A modest 3,000 rupees with GST included. Now that's a bargain for the wealth of knowledge you're about to gain. Before you rush to sign up, there's a small prerequisite. A fundamental understanding of basic accounts would be beneficial to fully grasp the concepts discussed during the workshop. Our esteemed faculty member, Prabhjot Kaur, will be leading the workshop. Her expertise and passion for accounting promise to make the learning experience both valuable and enjoyable. Interested? Don't hesitate. Reach out to us at +9 199996398062 or 972-8617551. Or drop us an email at info@saartechnosoft.com. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your accounting skills and knowledge. Secure your spot now and embark on an immersive learning journey with us. We look forward to seeing you there.